What is it again?
It's a 1955 Chevy Bel-Air Convertible.
Okay.
It's all original. Two years ago, it underwent a frame-off restoration.
Okay.
Every nut and bolt under it is redone. It's painted. This is a coral color.
Coral.
It's painted coral all the way up under it.
Okay.
It's original 265 motor.
Okay. How long did it take you?
Oh, I bought it this way.
Oh man,
I
okay.
bought it. Yeah,
okay.
I just got it a week ago.
That's
bro.
what I'm talking about, man. This is a smooth whip, man, for real, dog.
Yeah.
Absolutely, man. 55 right here.
It's Chevy's first V8.
Oh my God.
And she slow as hell.
Hey man, this is convertible, bro. I don't need to go fast. You feel me, my guy? This thing clean, my G. You said a coral?
Yeah, it's coral and ivory is the color.
Damn. That thing clean, brother.
But yeah, they did. I mean, they when they did it, they did.
They did their thing on this one, bro.
I bought it all the way from
They
there.
did. You don't need to do nothing on this one, man.
Yeah, like they painted everything.
Oh my
The
God.
trunk, up under. I mean,
Okay.
yeah, she painted everywhere. Like
Sure.